Okay, so I'm going to take off my my bonnet. I got this bonnet from Beauty Supply House. Definitely loves it. Doesn't come off. It has the thick band on it. So definitely worth, I think it was like $3. Definitely worth getting one of these. Okay, so I'm going to go through make sure I definitely get my edges with the wild growth. Definitely, this has been a lifesaver for me. And what I'm going to take also is some rubber bands, and I'm going to pull my hair back. Let's see if I can get this wig cap on right. Okay. So now here's my wig. Again, it looks so pretty. I'm excited to see the final result. Don't know if I showed you the tag, but there it is. It was $42.99, and it's in 1B. All right, y'all wish me luck. I really want to take my time and do this because, again, oh, and look, I just now realized that comes with baby hairs. I thought I was gonna have to cut and make some baby hairs to pull my baby hairs out, but I don't even have to do that because the wig already comes with it. So that's definitely a plus. So I'm going to take my hair clamps and I'm going to push back the baby hairs. That way when I do cut the lace off, I don't get the baby hairs. And the lace actually looks pretty good, I think. You know, this is my first time again, so rock with me, work with me. And if you have any recommendations on what I could have done better or different, please leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe if you're not subscribed to the Williams Chronicles. All right, so I'm going to get my scissors and I'm going to start cutting the lace, because I've always heard, baby, if you mess up on that lace, you can forget about it. Right where that hairline is, I'm going to cut a slit. Hold on, let me do it so I can show you down the middle. I hope that's right. Okay, I'm back like I never left. I'm back, got my gel, and I am basically using the Eco Styler. With me being natural, this is really the only gel that I have came across but slick those ends, honey. So let's throw this baby on. So this wig has a comb in the back, and then it has 2 combs on the side. One there, one there. Okay, my clamps, or if I'm going to glue this hair down. Not sure which one I'm going to partake in today, but it's going to be one or the other. I really don't like to put glue on my hair, but if I have to, then I will. Okay, baby hairs push through, baby. Where y'all at? Cause I need y'all today. Okay, do y'all see my baby hairs? Okay, there they are. So I need to comb them down. And look at this, y'all. I'm not even done, and I am really, really liking this. We'll see what hubby say. He want me to rock my natural, but listen. So I'm really going to have to look at videos on how to remove the got to be glue to keep these edges. I wonder if I could just spray it on the wig cap right here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and apply the wig. Do I still use the combs? I'm going to use the comb for the back. And then I'm just going to pull. Lord, please don't glue my baby hairs down, because I need them. Okay, so I got that on there. Let me make sure my... Lord, where you at, baby hairs? Let me make sure my baby hairs are pulled out. I'm going to place this where I want it to be. And I guess I would have to put more glue down. I guess I'm supposed to hold it. Let's see. Come on, work with me. Oh Lord, you can tell I ain't used this in a long time. It's like, I don't even know if this is this usable? Okay, I'm gonna have to stand up on these edges. Okay, first I need to comb them edges down. They didn't give me that many edges. I guess they said they're gonna match the edges I already got. Okay, my hair clip. So, I'm gonna clip, come on edges. Okay, my hair clip. I guess I'm gonna clip back my hair and keep these edges right here. Okay, Lord. Can we start over? Lord, I'm just brushing them up into the wig like they ain't supposed to be edges. Okay, so wait a minute. I need you to act like you got some sense. I know some people say they use their fingers, so they go over and then they use their finger to swoop it. Why mine don't look like that? Okay, just keep working at it, Crystal. Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that like that, and then I'm gonna come over here and do these edges. And I'm gonna just see if it looks nice, I'll go with it, you know. Because at the end of the day, if I like it, I'll rock it. That's just me. If I like it, I'll rock it, regardless of what, you know, anyone says. So I'm just going to put a little bit, just a little bit of this this gel from by Liv, the gel control for your edges. I'm just going to put a little bit. Then I'm going to comb it. Then I'm going to swoop it. Oh, Lord. You doing me like the other side did. I thought you was going to be better. Now, this side actually looks okay to me. Am I going to get myself together today?
Nope.
Oh, shooky nookie. Now, wait a minute, honey. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this and I'm going to just let her flow. Okay, so. Yo. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so I honestly think no. Don't worry about this. I am going to get better with the got to be, because as you can see, I did spray it on there. It didn't stick, so I had to use the combs, but that's okay. Do what works for you. That's okay though. But is this wig sitting? Oh, you know what I should have did? I should have pulled it to the side, but I can do that another day. Okay, so did I do everything I was supposed to do? And I think the wig cap that I got, the beige one, it matches perfectly. Y'all don't look too close now. But, you know, in the comments below, after you hit that subscribe button and notification bell, let me know. Let me know what's up. Because Crystal don't know how to do no hair, but I think I did this. Hey, play with me if you want to. I did. And she ain't coming off. Wait a minute. Don't. Crystal, see? Being extra. It's your first wig and you think you a pro at it. But it's cute. So, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all soon.